All right, so I have a pub burger and sweet potato fries.
Yeah.
What color is that one?
What
What color is that?
olive?
Yes, and the other ones, what color are the other ones?
Boo-boo?
Purple, yes. Is that good?
Piano.
Yeah, there's a plane up there. You gotta tell everyone about your sweet potato fries. They're good? My sweetie pie. Are you gonna try any of the burger? No, just the fries? Do you wanna try a purple one? Just the orange? Okay. Do you wanna try some of the bacon that's on here? You can do that later. All right, can you tell everyone about your fry?
Cool.
It's good? Can I have some?
Mm-hmm.
Are you gonna feed it to me? Oh, that's yummy. Do you know what I put on there? I put salt,
Okay.
pepper,
Okay.
paprika,
Okay.
and olive oil.
Okay.
Okay. So, do we get a thumbs up?
Bye.
Bye.